Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be explaining what the poke feature is on Facebook and showing you how to use it to poke someone. Let's dive right in and get started. The poke feature on Facebook is a way to interact with someone by simply letting them know that you're thinking about them. It's a lighthearted way of saying hello or getting someone's attention. To poke someone, first open the Facebook app on your device. Then tap on your profile picture icon. Next, click on the search icon in the top right corner. Once you're here, you'll notice the pokes option. If you don't see it right away, you can also search for it by typing poke in the search bar. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, now's a great time to do so. Just make sure to hit the bell icon to get notifications for more helpful videos like this. Now tap on the pokes option at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of people who have poked you. You can poke them back by clicking on the poke back button. If you want to poke someone, simply tap the poke button next to their name. And that's how you poke someone on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others.